Okay, guys, let's try some problems together with reading two-way frequency tables. Remember, there's a couple different types of two-way frequency tables, and we'll talk about each type as we run across it. So here we have researchers surveyed recent graduates of two different universities about their income. The following two-way table displays data for the sample of graduates who responded to the survey. So this is our table down here. We have two universities again, University A and University B. And then you have three categories for income. That's just how much money they make. So under 20,000, between 20,000 and 39,999, and 40,000 and over. So let's see what the question asks. There we go. How many graduates in the sample had an income of 40,000 and over? So we have to see where this is going to fall. It doesn't talk about which university. Okay, so it doesn't matter which university the student was in. They just want to know how many students had an income of 40,000 and over. So it's just concerned with income. Okay, and it's wanted to know 40,000 and over, but it wants to know all of them. So that means that we have to add these two numbers together to get a total. And this is going to be our answer. Okay, so we have to add 35 and 37. So 5 is 12, 3 and 3 is 6, and 72. So up here in this box, we're going to type 72. Yes. So in this problem, this is called a row total. Row total. Because we had to add together the entire row to get the total in order to get our answer. This is called a row total. Okay, let's try the next one. Okay, a university surveyed its students and their opinions of campus housing. The following two-way table displays data for 200 students. Okay, how many female students in the sample had a positive opinion of campus housing? So we have male and female being our two genders here, and then we had a positive opinion, so that means they were happy. Negative opinion, so they didn't like it. Neutral opinion, no opinion. They're fine with it. So the question specifically asks for female students only, right? So only female, and positive opinions. This is two pieces of information. We want female students, so we want this row that had a positive opinion. So we want this column, okay? So what we don't want is we don't want anything with the male, right? No males. We don't want any negative opinion. We don't want anything from neutral. We only want the female gender and the positive opinion. So female students, positive opinion, together is 42. So we put 42 in our little box there. Got that one right. So now we didn't do a total here, so this is not a total. In this case, the answer was just one of the numbers in the table, okay? And this happens when we have two pieces of information in the question. All right, let's try another one. Students were surveyed about their preference between dogs and cats. Okay, so you can see down here in the survey, we have dogs, cats, and then no preference if you don't like either one, or maybe you like both. I'm not really sure what that means. We also had males and females again, so boys and girls. How many females in the sample had no preference? So notice they're giving us two pieces of information here, two variables. We want female and no preference, which means we do not want any information from males or dogs or cats. We only want the number that is both female and no preference. And so that number is 6. Okay, very much like the last one, right? Okay, this is a good one. A university surveyed its students on their opinions of campus housing. We have 200 students. How many students in the sample had a negative opinion of campus housing? So we've seen this table before, but this is a brand new question. Okay, brand new question. Same table as like 2 questions ago. So, but we only have one piece of information here, negative opinion, right? It's not asking us about male or female. It just says students. So students is male and female. And we want only negative opinion. So we don't want anything about positive opinion. We don't want anything about neutral opinion. So what we need here is this column total. We want the total number. So we have to add 36 plus 56. 6 and 6 is 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We want the column total. The students, male plus female, is all the students. And so we get 92. And that's the third type of question problem here, column total. There you go. Okay, I hope this helps you out. Make sure you can message me if you have any trouble with your homework, and I'll post the homework soon.